Hello guys, I hope you all doing okay. Today I'm going to share with you my experience and a little bit unboxing of Samsung Level U headphones guys. It's a Bluetooth headphones and let me open it so I will explain you more. And it's a very nice phone, very nice headphones. I use it and I will show you. Okay guys, so when you open it, it will be like this. It comes with a guide, so quick start guide. You can learn. The other thing that it comes with two earbuds. One of is like this, and the other one is that one. So whatever is compatible to your ears, you can use it, guys. So when you open it, it will be like this. So when you open it, it will be like this, guys. So guys, these headphones are basically they are made up of plastic. They are thin and light in weight. As you can see, they are very thin and light in weight, and there is a rubber grip over here, this rubber grip. So when you wear it under around your neck, it will give you a good grip. The other thing is they have different earbud. It comes with it, and they have these buttons. You can see here, these are volume up, volume down button, and pause and play button. And when you press for the long time, it gives you track forward, track reverse, guys. So that's the other thing. There is one more button over here, this one. This one is for on and off. So when you turn it off, it will be off. This is the on button, and you can turn this on. The other thing is the charging port. It's the same Android charger you can use to charge it. I will open it and I will show you. There you go, guys. So that's the same charger that we use to charge the Android phone, guys. And when you turn it on, there is a light come over here, and there is also an app, Level U app. You can install it on your phone, and the app will give you how much battery timing does this Level U headphones you have. So from that app, there are other functions as well. You can do your settings for the calls and alarms and everything. You can do it. So it's a basic headphones, and it's a decent headphone, guys. And Samsung also claimed that it has the noise reduction ability. So when you talk to someone, there is the noise around, it will not go inside. And the other thing is it is super affordable. The price is really affordable. Why it is called Level U? Because of this U shape, guys. And I hope you when you buy it, you will like it, guys. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video. Thank you very much.